Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's me, and behind me, I'm gonna be organizing that because, well, let me see. Currently have all that on my bed that needs to go back here. So, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get started with that. So, how I'm doing this is originally I had all of them kind of just jumbled, but I'm actually putting all of the monster that I have drank and tried inside of its own line. Let me show you what I mean here. Let's get this one up here. Hold up. So, let's start over here. You have the Fanta, or the Fantasy Red, then Watermelon, then Red, then you have Violet, Sunshine, or Sunrise, the original Ultra Blue, and then the newest one, the Hawaiian Blue. That's all the monsters I've had. Now let's come over here. I'm going to grab all of the Alani that I've had. Where is another one? Or is that the only one? Oh wait, and one more. Paradise. Completely forgot about that one. Is that all the Alani though? Huh. I think it is. Alright, well. The Alani gets its own spot. Leave a like if you remember the Witch's Brew that I did for Halloween. Because I remember doing Witch's Brew for Halloween. Watermelon Wave, the best Alani. The best one, in my personal opinion. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering why I'm doing this. Well, my girlfriend should be coming to my house sometime in June. Now, do I know if it's actually true? No. Next up, we got C4 Energy. And there's a lot of C4. Like, let me just get it all out here. Ugh. I mean, there's a lot. You're about to see how many cans here. Hold up. Alright. Do we have everything? That's Ghost. That's Rise. That's Rain. That's Ghost. Alright, we have everything. Cool. So, all this is my entire C4. First, we have Skittles C4. Skittles C4, it was interesting. Then we got Frozen Bomb. That can go there. Then we have Midnight Cherry, which I actually found at a gas station, so very cool stuff. Strawberry Blast. See, it was good. I'm not gonna lie, it was good. Grape, the best one. Well, one of the best ones. Cherry Popsicle, also another good one. Would recommend, if you're a fan of popsicles, Cosmic Rainbow. Another good one. Hawaiian Punch, highly recommend this one. This one's very good. And then we got my three best ones. Watermelon Jolly Rancher, Green Apple Jolly Rancher, and blue raspberry Jolly Rancher. All the best. Now we have only one rain, and that's called Harvest Grape. I'm gonna put that there. Now we got Ghost, and there's a lot of Ghosts. Well, I don't know actually. We're about to find out. Let's see how much Ghost there really is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I only have 7, which is not bad. So we're gonna start off with Welch's Grape. Also, highly recommend that one. That one's very good. Electric Limeade, the first, I think one of the first Ghosts I've had. Also, the Welch's is sticky for some reason. Ghost America Popsicle, America Pop, I think that is. Personally, I didn't like it. Cherry Limeade. Swedish Fish, aka the best one. Peaches, another very good one, just released. Sour Pink Lemonade, very good one. Alright, next we got G Fuel. This one is called Berry Bomb. Very cool. Very, very cool. Next we have Pac-Man. We have Power Pellet. And this is Cherry Lollipop. Interesting. The final Ghost, or the final G Fuel we have, is Watermelon Limeade, which is very cool. Alright. We next have RYSE. Rise. I think that's what it is. I think. And I only have 4 of them. Cotton Candy. Sour Punch Red. Sour Punch Green. And Kool-Aid. So let me just start by putting these in here. But here's the 2 cans. The Kool-Aid and then the Sour Punch. Very cool. Same thing with this one. Cotton Candy. Very white and colorful. Next, we move on to the only accelerator I have. By the way, I hated this. This was dog shit. That one, the Rocket Pop, or the accelerator that I just put in there is called Rocket Pop. Oh, wait, we have another Rise. Hold up. Yeah, we have one more Rise. Kool-Aid again, but it's grape. Forgot to add that one to the collection. Then we have Prime energy drinks. Y'all saw nothing. Y'all saw nothing. Yeah, y'all didn't see anything. So what I was trying to do is say we have 3 primes. And we have a Red Bull. The only Red Bull I've actually had. The 3 primes we have are strawberry watermelon, which to me was very good. Then we have ice pop, which straight up tastes like sugar. And then dream pop. All very good. Now, we have a few other things. The Skittles Tropical, the Wild Berry. Now this is a bit random. We have Blue Cherry Gatorade. Next we got the big stuff, and a lot of it. More Prime Berry Freeze in the hydration cup. We have Ghost Hydration Kiwi Strawberry. We have Cherry Freeze, aka my favorite. X, which something cool about X is if I open the cap, there is a thing on the inside that you can scan. Or not scan, but put in a thing. Also, that's got mold on the bottom of it. What the hell? And then 2 more. Future Freeze. I love the design on this. And then Prime Ice Red Chill. To me, it looks super clean. So yeah. And that is this whole thing reorganized, sorted by everything that goes with this specific thing. Ghost, C4, Rain, tons more stuff. I forgot what's even in here half the time. Ghost, C4, Monster, more Rise, Accelerator, Red Bull, Prime Energy, Skittle Drinks. There's a random ass bottle. But you, over here, over you there, Prime. And I'm moving things around so it's somewhat level here. Like that. There we go. All the Prime, Ghost, Gatorade, and everything else. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.